Welcome to part 2 of making mini roasted turkey. In the last episode, I sculpted the turkey, added texture with my X-Acto knife and shaded with chalk pastels. Now for the fun part, I'm making a whole tray filled with rosemary. I use green clay to add the tiny pokey leaves of rosemary. Also use my red clay to add just scattered raspberry all through. And for the real herb butter, I use real spices like oregano, rosemary and mix it with varnish to give it a finished look. And this is how it looks. Let me know what you think in the comments.